We have with us Chairman of State Bank of India at Global Fintech Festival, Mr. Setty. First of all, thank you so much for giving your time to ET Now. At Global Fintech Fest, we of course talk about innovations and YONO is something which SBI has been working for quite a long time. In fact, YONO 2.0 is something which I have asked you a question many times, but will again want to know that when we will get to know about the update of YONO 2.0 when it is getting implemented.
I can give the update right now. YONO 2.0 is, as I mentioned earlier in many conversations, is a very complex reimagination of the application. It's not only application being reimagined, it's also on the backend technology and how we are improving the omni-channel experience. It's internet banking being reimagined, the branch portal being reimagined. So the whole the journey of YONO 2.0 was a very complex one. So that is the reason I think many a time we have been extending the timelines. We have already gone into the CUG, that the closed user group, with a limited number of our staff being using the app now. We are looking for a commercial launch by the end of this year.
Okay, so commercial launch by the end of this year, but also the provisional numbers of banks have come and they are very encouraging. A few of the private banks especially, and I know many of the PSU banks, including yours, do not disclose before results, and I will not ask you for forward-looking statement. Having said that, after GST rate rationalization is implemented, which are the pockets of growth you are seeing? What is the mood on ground?
GST has been very important development. And there has been a uptick on the consumer financing, what we have seen, whether it could be auto loans or the other unsecured personal loans. There's been a general uptrend across the industry, not necessarily for SBI. Obviously, as you mentioned, we can't discuss about the numbers now at this silent period. Our home loan growth always has been, with this nothing to do with the GST, but has been robust. So we have seen improvement in terms of the credit offtake, and some of the numbers which the banks have announced has indicated that the credit has been good in the Q2.
Right, but as far as the impact of GST and all these announcements are concerned, only 7 to 8 days if you talk about in Q2. So in Q3 and Q4, is it safe to assume the number will be much better and bigger?
So generally Q3, Q4 are good quarters for us. Even if the GST were not there, we would have had a good quarters. This is a busy season, what we call festivals, marriages, and also you have economic activity picking up in the second half, monsoons over. So I think this will be further aided definitely by the GST rationalization, which has happened now, and we look forward to a good credit growth in the Q3, Q4.
Right. Last time when we interacted with you at GFF, this venue itself, we spoke about 1 lakh crore net profit. I know we have interacted about it during the year also, but with the kind of demand which is coming now, do you think it is going to happen sooner than expected?
No, I think let's not talk about the timelines. The objective is that this is capability of a large bank like SBI, which has invested in technology, digitalization, and seamless customer acquisition, and the customer trust which is built over the years. We believe that that 1 lakh crore milestone is only a simple milestone.
All right, we'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for giving your time.
Thank you.